Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MT Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start this video off by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, and you want to navigate over to google.com. Now into Google you want to type in Firefox. You want to hit enter once you've typed it in, how it appears on my screen. One of the best managers should be from a mozilla.org domain, and it should hopefully say something along the lines of download Firefox. Just want to left click on that. Now the page might look a little different depending on when you're watching this video, but it should be pretty clearly labeled a download now or download something button. So I'm going to select that. And now depending on your web browser, the download might look a little different, but you can see in Google Chrome it's right in my bottom tray right here. So I'm just going to left click on it once to run the executable. Now it's going to say, do you want to run this file? Left click on run. Now do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And make sure to verify publisher here, and that it is the Mozilla Corporation, the makers of Firefox. And left click on yes. Now this should take a minute here, so please be patient. Okay, so once it's done, the Firefox web browser should open up, and that should hopefully be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.